Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing, Tony, with RVFix? Today we're going to go over summarizing your 2026 Jayco 28BHU. Let's get going. All right, we're going to start off over here on our water fill. So we've got three different fittings that look an awful lot alike. So we just want to make sure which one we're hooking to. This top one here is the tank flush. We just want to refer to the sticker next to it. This one here, it says potable water only. This is going to be our tank fill fitting, and then city water connection. This is where we're going to hook up when we're set up an RV park and we're just using city water. We're not going to be using our pump. So what we want to do when we're summarizing, though, because all of our lines are full of antifreeze, as well as the pump's going to have some antifreeze in it too, is we're going to want to put water in our freshwater tank, turn the pump on, and then run all of our fixtures to flush all of that antifreeze out. So we're going to grab our hose, hook it up to the tank fill port, okay, turn the water on. We're going to put, about a third of a tank of fresh water in here. If you're going to trying to get ready to go camping, you want to fill it up, just go ahead and fill it up. We're going to flush it out. If you are going to go camping right away, then you can go ahead and top it off after we're done. Okay, we got about a third of a tank. We're going to go ahead and shut that down. I'm going to go ahead and just disconnect this right now. Now, because the RV is winterized, I went ahead and pulled the cover off here, which is our access to our water pump. So you got that white valve there. I've already put it in summarized position. If it was in winterized position, that handle in there would be pointing towards that clear vinyl hose. All right, let's head on inside, run the fixtures. Right here in the hallway is our monitor panel, and this switch right here is where we turn on our water pump. Just flip that on, the pump's gonna come on. It's gonna build up a head of pressure and shut itself off. I like to always start in the fixture that's farthest away from the water pump, because that's gonna flush most of the fluid out. So you choose one temperature on the fixture, let it run till it goes clear. There you go. And then you choose the next temperature. I always like to do one temperature at a time, that way you're sure you get that line completely flushed out, as opposed to just putting it in the middle and run both of those lines at the same time. Shut that off, and then we'll run to the next fixture. Okay, here we are in the bathroom, got the same program. Run one at a time. Okay, run the toilet till it runs clear. And our shower. Back here on the back corner on the camping side, we've got this little door right here. We've got an outside shower fixture, and we've got this spray port that goes on here. We're inside a building here, so we're just going to grab a bucket. Let that run till it's clear. Do the other side. Okay. And then we've got our low point drains under here. We're going to just do the same thing, just flush those out real quick. They should be pretty real clear. There we go. That's how you summarize your Jayco 28BHU. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section or give us a call at RVFix. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.